Ningbo Grand Star Electric Company Limited was established in 2006. We are specialized in designing, developing, manufacturing the LED flashlight, headlight, camping light, working light, bike light, pen light, UV flashlight, keychain light, and other light for more than 18 years. Now we have more than 1,000 types of models, which are widely used in military, police, security, outdoors, household, office. Our products are exported to Europe, Asia, North America, and Australia, and other countries and regions. We are strict at our product quality. To make sure the goods are well produced and kept qualified, we have a full range of advanced production facilities, such as the testing equipment, precision die casting machine, integrating sphere, discharge and overcharge testing machines for battery. We have a completed quality control standard as well. From sourcing raw materials to packing mass products, we strictly control the quality on each part to make sure that the customers will receive the satisfied products. That's why we can have a long-term and stable cooperation with customers. We have CE, RoHS, FCC, BSCI, and other certification. Both of OEM and ODM service are available for us. Efficient and warm sales service with competitive quality. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.